A guide to writing effective body paragraphs. Welcome to our English language learning video on academic writing and research. In this video, we will focus on an essential aspect of essay structure: body paragraphs. Body paragraphs play a crucial role in developing and supporting the main ideas of your essay. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to structure and write effective body paragraphs. So, let's get started. The purpose of body paragraphs is to provide detailed explanations, evidence, and examples that support your thesis statement. Each body paragraph should focus on a single main idea or argument related to your topic. By organizing your thoughts into distinct body paragraphs, you can present a clear and logical progression of ideas in your essay. A well-structured body paragraph typically consists of three essential components: topic sentence, supporting evidence, and analysis. Topic sentence. The topic sentence introduces the main idea or argument of the paragraph. It serves as a mini thesis statement for that specific section. The topic sentence should be clear, concise, and directly related to the thesis statement of your essay. Supporting evidence. After the topic sentence, you need to provide supporting evidence to validate your main idea. This evidence can include facts, statistics, examples, or quotations from credible sources. Make sure to properly cite your sources if you use external information. Analysis. Once you have presented your supporting evidence, it's crucial to analyze and explain how it relates to your main idea. Analysis demonstrates your understanding of the evidence and its significance to your argument. This is where you can showcase critical thinking skills and provide insightful commentary. To maintain coherence and unity in your body paragraphs, it's important to consider the following. Logical flow. Ensure that your ideas flow logically from one paragraph to another. Use transitional words and phrases, such as furthermore, in addition, or however, to connect your thoughts and create a smooth progression. Paragraph length. Aim for a balanced paragraph length. A paragraph that is too short may lack sufficient evidence and analysis, while an overly long paragraph can become overwhelming and unfocused. As a general guideline, aim for around 5 to 8 sentences per paragraph. Paragraph unity. Each body paragraph should focus on a single main idea or argument. Avoid introducing unrelated or off-topic information within a paragraph. If you find that you have multiple ideas to discuss, consider creating separate paragraphs for each distinct point. Now, let's look at a sample body paragraph to put everything into context. Topic sentence. Climate change is a pressing global issue that requires immediate attention. Supporting evidence. According to a study published in the Journal of Environmental Science, global temperatures have risen by 1.5 degrees Celsius over the past century. Analysis. This significant increase in temperatures is primarily attributed to human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. The consequences of climate change, including rising sea levels and extreme weather events, pose a threat to ecosystems and human populations worldwide. By providing this supporting evidence and analysis, we can clearly see how the body paragraph supports the main idea stated in the topic sentence. Congratulations! You have now learned the key components of effective body paragraphs in academic writing. Remember to start each body paragraph with a clear topic sentence, provide supporting evidence, and analyze its significance. Additionally, strive for coherence and unity within your paragraphs to maintain a logical flow of ideas. With practice, you will